Ahead. So we continue the React project what they do. We don't already do the header. So the next component we need to build now will be the search component. So now that one we'll go do for this video. So we could begin. We know so we go need down for inside this app component. So we could import search first. Of course, we never create them. So we go call search, and then we will just invoke them for here. Then we'll go create them. So we'll create new folder, we'll call them search, and inside this one we'll go create new file, we'll call them index.js. First we need to import React for inside this place so that we don't get error from React. And now we need const search where go equals to arrow function. For now, we'll just return, p tag, say the search they work. And then we'll go do our normal export default. Okay. We don't do them, so we could run the app. All right, so it work. So component setup for search is working. All right. The next thing we need to think now is if you look the design, we get placeholder with the inside here where we need to customize. We need to do dynamic, so we need to pass that one in as props. So we'll say placeholder. And it will just be search post by title ... Of course, we never do anything for inside the search component, but we know what we need. So make we go the search component now. Make we just now put our input. So instead of this p tag what we get for here, we'll just change down to input. So I just put on inside div so that you can just do on your own. So here we need input tag. We could just end, and it gets property attribute where they call placeholder, and this one now we know say it will get placeholder attribute. This h need to be like this. And then we could try to see what we get. Okay, so fine. It is show, but the height and the width still get look like the one we get for here, but that will not be any problem if we add the styling later. So but for now we just want to see say the thing they work. So the next thing is input also get on change event we'll hook up to. So this one will just come from the people where they call this. So we'll just say on this one as custom one. So on change, on search term change, more now past tense. So we'll go our app here. We'll go create a new function. We will respond when change happen. We will just make an event. They will pass event object. But for now, we'll just log them. All right. We know say our search they expect on change props, so we'll go pass down in. Okay. So we could see we don't get any error. But now we try to type something inside the input so that we'll see if anything they logged. Okay, see? If they log. Yeah. So our input they work, and then what we need to do here. I think that the next thing we need to do, we don't need to do anything for now just to get the value. So if we just say target dot value, we could log the value out. So we'll try again. And they reset. So you see, what they put there, they come here. So working fine. Nice. Yeah, for the next video, what we will do now, we'll add some styling to the input, and then we'll know say we are done with this input. Yeah, I hope say una learn something for this video. If you never subscribe to my channel, if you subscribe so that anytime where I post new video, YouTube will notify you. I hail.